put a bigger top load on, and now it's wanting to flash over more. And branch. And it's tripping overcurrent protection at a much lower input voltage. Which makes sense, I guess, because it's running at a lower frequency. Oh, that was a flash over. I'm at like, I don't know, 85% on the Variac. The output's nowhere near as good. This is raised up another 2 inches. The breakout point's raised higher, so these arcs aren't actually as big. So if I go back to this smaller toroid, it's better. Okay. Okay, there was a strike to 30 inches. It's so close. Most of those are reaching 28, 29 inches. There was another 30.